Hi, good morning, welcome back. I hope you must have understood the importance of collagen in your body. Now it's time to check the kind of food which will help you to keep you young and energetic. Also, with these kind of foods, your skin will be tight, shiny, and wrinkle free. So, the first food is eggs. Egg white contains large amount of protein, which is one of the most important amino acid. So when it comes to the collagen production, these eggs are really very useful. Also, don't throw out the egg yolk. Usually people are throwing it away with the fear of cholesterol in it. So if you are having 4 eggs, so out of 4 you can discard egg yolk of 2 eggs, because the egg yolk, what I am asking you to consume, it contains many nutrients and collagen is one of them, which helps in keeping your hair shiny. Other food is fish. So if you are having non-veg in your food, so fish is very good food for you, but with skin. Fish is rich in amino acids which are required to produce collagen in the body, and its skin has a high concentration of collagen. Also, if you are looking to boost collagen production level to your skin to look younger, then you will want to load up with the citrus fruits. And due to its high level of vitamin C, they are really very helpful for betterment of your skin. Everybody likes berries. Also, don't forget to include berries into your diet. This includes strawberry, blackberry, raspberry, blueberries, and many other things are there. So whichever is available to you, you have to consume it because they are excellent source of vitamin C. Berries are also high in antioxidants which help to prevent free radical damage. And free radicals are main culprit for the aging. So antioxidants always help to reduce the number of free radicals in your body. The next food is garlic. So garlic contains few acids which help to rebuild the damaged collagen fibers in your body. See, one thing is to have collagen supplements. Other thing is that you have to eat such kind of fruits, foods or supplement that helps your body to generate more collagen. This garlic is helping in rebuilding the damaged collagen which are already existing in your body. Definitely it helps to boost your collagen production also because it is high in sulfur. Also, beans are very good for your health. Beans are a great way to load up fibers and plant-based protein in the body. And definitely it is going to help with your skin development. Many of beans contains amino acid which are necessary for the collagen synthesis inside the body. Some are very rich in the copper and zinc because copper and zinc are very essential nutrients for the collagen production. Now come to the nuts and seeds. So nuts and seeds are tiny powerhouse of the nutrition. They are very high in protein and fibers. It also contains healthy fats and wide range of nutrients. तो काजू, बादाम और तिल के जो सीड्स होते हैं, इट हैज़ गॉट वेरी गुड न्यूट्रिएंट्स. इवन तिल में तो विटामिन बी, फैटी एसिड, आयरन, जिंक, प्रोटीन, कॉपर, मैग्नीशियम और कैल्शियम भी बहुत अच्छी क्वांटिटी में पाए जाते हैं. 100 ग्राम ऑफ जो तिल होता है उसमें लगभग 1000 मिलीग्राम ऑफ कैल्शियम होता है, जो कि आप मान सकते हैं कि हड्डियों के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है. और वैसे तिल जो होता है वो थोड़ा गर्म होता है, इसलिए इसे ठंड के समय में अगर खाया जाए तो एनर्जी मिलती है बॉडी को. दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज पावर हाउस फॉर योर बॉडी. सो चिकन इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर हेल्थ. As the great, it has got great amount of that connecting tissues, and these tissues make chicken a rich source of dietary collagen. So there are number of collagen supplements are available in the market. So most of them are derived from the chicken. So along with incorporating these kind of foods into your diet, it's also essential for you to stay away from too much of the sun, from too much of sugar, refined carbohydrate, and excessive amount of alcohol. They are very dangerous for your health. These are the 4 things which are affecting not only collagen production, but it will be damaging the collagen inside the body. One more thing you need to keep it in mind, that collagen is not only for younger looking skin. Higher collagen level may also improve your overall health, like reduce joint pain, it boosts the muscle mass and improves the digestion. I hope you must have understood the concept and you must have noted the things which you have to eat on the regular basis. If not, then please listen the video again. start consuming these foods in your regular routine.